Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. My name is Sarah Leem and I am your English teacher. Today we are going to learn Broadway workbook page number 52 and 53. Page number 29 school workbook is your homework. Page number 52 words opposite. Learn words 1. Write the opposites of the words in bracket. The first one has been done for you. A bright room. Bright ka opposite is dark. B. A dash story long, short. C. A dash child happy, sad. D. A dash road broad, narrow. E. A dash woman poor, rich. If a dash street noisy, quiet. G. The dash door front back. 2. What do you put in these things? One has been done for you. इन चीज़ों के अंदर आप क्या क्या चीज़ें डाल सकते हैं वो आपके लिए पहला वाला उन्होंने सॉल्व कर दिया है. ए. एनवेलप. Relator. B. Jug. Water. Juice. C. Basket. Vegetables or fruit. D. Vase. Flowers. E. Purse. Money. F. Suitcase, clothes or dresses. G. Bottle. Milk, water or juice. Anything you like. Page number 53. Complete the sentences using not and the word in brackets. First one is this is a pencil bracket pen. It is not a pen. This is a squirrel bracket mouse. It is not a mouse. This is a cherry bracket grape. It is not a grape. This is a restaurant bracket shop. It is not a shop. This is a ship bracket boat. It is not a boat. This is a motorbike bracket bicycle. It is not a bicycle. Page number 29. School workbook is your homework. Look at the pictures and correct the sentences written below them. It's a glass. It's not a glass, it's a jug. It's a cow. It's not a cow, it's a cat. It's not a tree. It's a tree. It's not a tree, it's a house. It's a table. It's not a table, it's a chair. It's a rabbit. It's not a rabbit, it's a giraffe. It's not a cup, it's an owl. It's not a dog, it's a fish. It's not a plane, it's not a plane, it's a bus. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you like the video. Allah Hafiz.